Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. So I purchased this, it's been a while, so I purchased this a while back. I bought myself a new ring light. I purchased this like, it had to be like last month sometime. I can't remember, but yeah. It's just been sitting here in my room waiting on me to have time to open it. So yeah. So let's just get, we're gonna throw that there. This is what I bought. I got it from Amazon, like I said. I have a ring light, but it's like, if I'm not mistaken, I think it is a 10-inch. I'm not quite sure, but this is the 18-inch Neewer ring light. So this is the packaging. It's really cute, a black case. Y'all still see? So I guess this is like the base of the ring light. So you and I are gonna put this together. Yeah. So you and I are gonna put this together. I'm like very excited because I've been wanting a new ring light. Like I said, I want, like, when I'm home and want to like create content at home, I want this bigger ring light so that I can have more light. Like, I'm filming on my ring light right now, but it's not as big as this one. So oh my gosh, y'all, this is huge. So like I said, this is the 18-inch Neewer ring light. It is very huge. So we're just gonna put it right here. So these are, I forgot what they're called, but you put these on the ring light, have like white and like an orangey color. But of course I'm gonna put a little white when it's time. A cell phone clipper, and then this, or attacher, and then this is for the camera. If you have a camera, you can attach your camera to it. This is a Bluetooth remote, which is good. Battery for you to charge your ring light up. I think that's about it. So we're gonna put this together. Is that it? Took the whole thing off. I think this is it for that one. Okay, so these are the color filters, y'all. So this is a color filter. This is a color filter, but we're gonna do this one. I'm gonna put this one on. I'm gonna slide you over.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Alright guys, so I got my ring light set up. So I got the ball head piece and then my cell phone piece on there. So we're gonna see if we can. I'm gonna use my old phone. We're gonna see if we can find the Bluetooth. So this is a Bluetooth remote. It's just red. Turn it on. And then the one that we use is Neewer RT. Here. Oh my goodness. So we just take a picture. Okay. Alright guys, so I have it set up. That is bright. And it's not even on like the highest setting, so this is off, right? And then let's just put that on. Wow, so that is the highest setting. Oh my god. We about to make some bum videos. So yeah. That is very pretty. Okay guys, so that is the end of my video. Y'all look. Bomb. Like, I love this ring light already. But this is not, let's see, it could go a little taller than this too. I think that might be it. Oh, yeah. So we got this. And I can let this hot part. Let's see. I can let this up some more, so yeah. I'm gonna show you guys my I'm gonna do a clip of the ring light that I'm using now. So this is the ring light that I'm filming with now. Like I said, it's a smaller ring light, but it does the job. So it did what it had to do until I could get this bigger one. And I'm still gonna use this, but more so gonna use my bigger one. So yeah, just want to show you guys what I'm using. So yeah, that is the end of this